In the previous video, we have already discussed the theorem 6.1. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Is it? And see, 6.2 also, that is what? If a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side, right? So if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. Okay, so in these two triangles, two theorem, by this two theorem here you can understand. See the theorem 6.2, we have told that if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. Is it? So suppose if we take one triangle here, and if one line will intersect these two lines in the same ratio, is it? Then these two lines are parallel, and the triangle, if we draw as like, okay, as like, if a line we draw this way, if this ratio will be the equal, then this line and this line will be the parallel. Okay, this ratio should be same. Okay, then these two lines will be parallel. Again, if we draw one triangle as like this way, and if we draw one line through these two lines, is it? So if this two ratio if the ratio of the two sides will be the equal, then this line and this line will be the parallel. Okay. Then 6.1 what told us? See, suppose one triangle we have here. Okay, this is the triangle. 6.1 theorem what told? If a line is drawn parallel to one side, suppose we have taken this line, and with this line, one parallel line we will draw to intersect other two sides. Okay, this way means this one and this one already we have drawn in parallel. Okay, then this ratio will be same. Okay, understood? যদি আমি এই লাইনডালৰ প্যাৰেলাল কে এই লাইনডাল ড্ৰ কৰোঁ, অলৰেডি যদি আমি জানো এই লাইনডাল আৰু এই লাইনডাল প্যাৰেলাল, তেতিয়াহ'লে আমাৰ কি হ'ব, এই ৰেচিঅ' গিটা সমান হ'ব। ঠিক আছে, এয়া কোৱা হয় কি থেলছ থিওৰাম। Now we are going to apply the Thales theorem in 6.2 exercise. Okay, so let's start. Now see, this is the question number 1 from 6.2 exercise. See, in figure 6.17, number 1 and number 2 D parallel BC. Is it? Two figure we have given the number 1 and 2 number 1. Is it? So DE parallel BC already we have given. Is it? Find BC in 1. This BC. Wait, which one? BC. This BC in 1 and AD, which one? AD in 2. Okay, okay, so see, we are going to solve. Okay, solution. First of all, we are going to solve number 1. Okay, see what we have given. First of all, right, given DE parallel BC, right, and this A is given 1 cm, right, and AE is equal to 1 cm, right, and AD is equal to 1.5 cm, and DB is equal to what? DB is equal to 3 cm, right. Now we need to find what? we need to find in the first case BC, right? We need to find BC. Okay, we need to find BC, right? Understood? So now, sorry, it's a little bit mistake. This is not BC, this is EC. Okay, this person. Okay, this person you need to find EC. Okay, so now since we have given already that DE parallel BC, is it? Then by the Thales theorem, we have got the ratio, that the ratio will be equal, right? So AD by DB is equal to AE by EC, is it? Therefore, AD by DB is equal to AD by DB is equal to AE by EC, right? AE by EC. So you can write here Thales theorem, okay? By using, we have got Thales theorem, okay? Thales theorem. Okay. Then AD means, AD value is what given as 1.5, right? So DB value is given what? 3 cm, right? Is equal to AE means what given? 1 cm, and EC we need to find, right? So now you know that if between two fractions we have the equal sign, then we have to do is what? Cross multiple, right? So EC into 1.5, right? EC into 1.5 is equal to 3 into 1. This 3 into 1, right? So now what to do? EC is equal to 3 by 1.5, right? Implies EC is equal to what? 2 cm, right? So the required answer will be, therefore the required EC is equal to what? 2 cm. Okay, understood? Okay, then we are going to solve that second number also. Okay, see, in second number, the triangle we are given ABC, right? So AE is given 1.5 cm and EC is given 5.4 cm. Then DB is given 7.2 cm, and we need to find this portion, okay? AD. Okay. So similar, we have given already that DE parallel to BC, right? So in this figure also we will apply the Thales theorem to find the AD. Okay. Then see. First of all, you write given what given us DE parallel BC, right? So an A is given, A is equal to 1.8 cm, right? EC is equal to 5.4 cm, right? And DB is equal to what? 7.2 cm, and AD we need to find, right? So now since DE parallel BC, therefore AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Why? Because of Thales theorem, right? Thales theorem, is it? Thales theorem already you have got, is it? If two lines will be parallel, then the ratio of the other two sides will be equal, is it? So AD means what given us? We need to find, right? AD we need to find. Then DB is given us what? 7.2 cm is equal to AE means what given? AE 1.8 cm. 1.8 divided by EC is given what? 5.4, right? 5.4. Okay, so in here also we have the equal sign, so we have to cross multiply, right? So 5.4 into AD is equal to 7.2 into 1.8. That means AD is equal to what? 7.2 into 1.8 divided by 5.4. Okay. So by solving it, what we will get here? AD is equal to 2.4 cm, right? So therefore the required AD is equal to what? 2.4 cm. Understood? So very easy, is it? So this way we are going to apply Thales theorem, and by the Thales theorem, what problems we will get, it will be very easy for us, is it? So see that next. Then you see the question number 2. E and F are points on the sides PQ and PR respectively of a triangle PQR. For each of the following cases, state whether of EF parallel QR. Okay, EF parallel QR. So by this question we need to draw, from this question we need to draw one figure, right? Triangle, it is PQR. Let's draw the triangle PQR. Okay, then what told? See, E and F are the points on the sides PQ and PR. Okay, so you can give E, F. Okay, this is P, Q, R. Okay, this triangle PQR and E and F. That PQ, the E on the PQ, right? E is on the PQ and F on the PR, right? So we need to join it. Okay. So in question number 1, what told us that ratio is given, is right? So that value of this portion is given, and we need to check that EF parallel QR will be or not for the given these questions. Okay. Right now, see this PE is equal to 3.9 cm, right? PE, this one E, right? PE is equal to 3.9 cm is given. Then EQ is given 3 cm, right? 3 cm. Then PF is given 3.6 cm, 3.6 cm, and FR is given 2.4 cm. 2.4 cm, is it? So now we need to check that EF parallel QR or not. So for become a parallel EF and QR, the ratio should be same, right? So we will check here the ratio, it is same or not. If it is same the ratio, then it will be parallel, or if it is not same, then it will be not parallel. Okay, so let's check solution. Okay, here in triangle PQR we have what was given, PF is equal to 3.9 cm, right? EQ is equal to 3 cm, then PF is equal to 3.6 cm, and FR is equal to 2.4 cm, right? So you're right, we need to check EF parallel QR or not. Okay. Now see, so from this triangle what will be given, that PE by EQ, right? The first ratio will be the PE by EQ. Let's check. PE by EQ is equal to, so P is what given? P means what? 3.9 cm, right? 3.9 cm, and EQ means what? 3, is it? So this is if we divide that 3.9 by 3, then we will be getting here what? 1.3 cm, right? 313 jar 39, right? So 1.3. Again you see, so the second sides PF by FR is equal to what we will be getting here. See, PF by FR is equal to what will be, PF means what given? 3.6, right? 3.6, and that FR is given what? 2.4 4, is it? So if we take it to lowest form, then will be 3 12 jar, is it right? 3 1.2 jar 36 and 2 1.2 jar 2.4, right? Means 2 12 jar 24 and 3 12 jar 36. So 3 by 2, 3 by 2. So by this 3 if we divide by 2, then we will be getting here 1.5, right? 1.5. Okay, 1.5. Okay, so now give equation number 1. This is equation number 2, suppose, right? So from this equation 1 and 2, we have got PE by EQ is not parallel to PF by FR, is it? So you can write here, since the ratio is not same, therefore EF is not parallel to QR, right? So through this way, with the same property, you can apply that second number, 2 number and 3 number also you can do. Okay, and this 2 and 3 number you can do or not, then please inform me in comment box. Okay, thank you all of you for today.